Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It literally means the absolute most to me. I'm so excited to be on this YouTube journey. You have no idea. However, today we have a lot of stuff to do, you guys. I am waiting for Jamie to get home. They have Fast Friday. If you guys don't know, my boyfriend plays for the Pittsburgh Steelers. They have a game on Sunday, and on Fridays it's like Fast Friday where they basically get to go home a little earlier, so hopefully he'll be here soon. So yeah, we're at Target. I am just going to run around and see if there's anything that I like. So I'm in the bedding aisle because I really want this comforter by Casa Luna. I want to see if it's on sale. I think I'm gonna wait until they have this on sale. They had like a 20% off sale or something like that, and I was like, I have to go get it, and I guess it expired. I'm gonna go look at the shower mats and stuff. I honestly wish that I was kids because I'm in love with these. These are the purple ones that I got. These are so much nicer, and they're black. Oh, these are cute for like little girls. So cute. You guys, I forgot my card at home. So I literally wasted an hour of my life. Ah! Okay, so I finished my nails. I went for the new. All right, you guys, we're at the mall. We're going to Lululemon. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get something. I don't know. Something.
He needs something to wear for tomorrow.
No, I'm not getting that anywhere for tomorrow.
For what?
I'm just getting something to wear.
Oh, okay, we're going to Lululemon. So I think I'm gonna get a pair of black leggings and then a matching bra, and then Jamie is getting some stuff too. Yeah, thank you. Okay, guys, where are we?
I'm mad at her.
We're at Porsche and we're looking at some cars, as you guys can see. I was like, oh my god, they have a Range Rover, and we're looking at a Range Rover now. You're gonna test drive it, right? He looked at the Range Rover.
I ain't like it.
He likes it.
I like it, but
there's just a better car. That's a Porsche.
my baby.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna bring you guys along in a day in my life, but a game day version. So we're at the stadium. Let me show you guys what it looks like. We're here super early today. So now they're practicing before the game on the field. They're just stretching and doing all that kind of stuff. Taking shots. Lily snuck them in. The best girl ever. Okay, ready? She's not drinking.
Be a good neighbor and enjoy the game. Here we go.
Okay, so we're by the food. I want to introduce you guys to my friends. This is Lily and Julia. I don't even know what to say. I know, Julia. Julia's chill. Win, baby. Woo! Let's go Steelers! We won! I'm so happy we won, you guys. Woo! Oh, I'm falling over. Let's go Steelers! Woo! Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I had such an amazing time. It was so cold out there and it was a little hectic, but it was overall super fun and I'm so happy that we won. So hopefully we're able to go to the playoffs or something like that, but it is so cold outside. I'm gonna turn the heater on and wait for Jamie to get in the car so that we can go home. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today.
Thanks, brother. Thank you very much.
Oh, nice.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. That's awesome. Thank you.
Good, bro.